It all begins with a name. A name born on the racetrack. A car built to win. The Testarossa. One of the most legendary Ferraris ever created. Then, time moves on. Cars change, technology evolves, but some things remain. Passion. And the desire to always go further. Today, Testarossa returns. Not to look back, but to write what comes next. A V8, twin turbos, electric power. A new generation of performance. And when the light turns green, there's only one thing left to do. Accelerate. Ferrari, 849 Testarossa. The return of the legend.